This is the Tiny Feet's Basic Shapes felt set. So it comes with a whole bunch of felt shapes that you can use your creativity to build, create, do fun things with. The shapes are all made from this thick, rigid, durable felt. The felt is actually made from recycled PET bottles, so it's washable, it's inherently stain resistant, and a lot of fun because it doesn't matter if you drop it, it won't harm furniture or hardwood floors. And the set comes with so many different pieces that you can use to create different things. So one of the things you can do is pattern sequencing, which is an early math activity. So you go red, orange, red, orange, or you can talk about the shapes, like how many sides does a triangle have? How many sides does a square have? Or you can use them to create fun things and explore different patterns. Like what happens if you put together all 4 hearts and they make a little flower there? Or you can do the exploration of what happens if you put all 4 triangles together. You can make there's my other triangle. You can make a square. And then you can start to make just creative art out of it. Like what happens if we put this there? Do we like this color together with that color? There's so many fun things that you can do. I love open-ended toys like this because they don't tell kids what to do or how to do the activity. They just allow them to be creative and have fun. So you can order this at tinyfeets.com. We have a whole bunch of fun felt educational toys like this basic shape set.